Today I'm celebrating Unity Day in Ukraine. What is Ukrainian Unity Day? This is a question I ask myself every year, and usually I'm too lazy to find the answer. But because people actually watch my videos now, I did some investigating. Unity Day commemorates the unification between the Ukrainian People's Republic and the West Ukrainian People's Republic. The unification happened on January 22nd, 1919 with the signing of Act Zluky. By the way, the signing happened at Sophia Square in Kyiv. For centuries, the land of Ukraine has been divided in one way or another, whether it was the 1700s with the Polish-Lithuanian Commonwealth, the 1800s with the Austrian Empire, or the 1900s with Poland. Ukrainians have been fighting each other for centuries at the will of the occupying empires. But for a brief period in 1919, after the Russian Empire collapsed, Ukraine enjoyed a moment of unity, and then they got occupied for about another 100 years under the Soviet Union. Then, in late January of 1990, as the Soviet Union was about to finally collapse, over 300,000 Ukrainians from east to west formed a human hand-holding chain stretching from Kyiv to Lviv to show unity between all of Ukraine. Forming human chain seemed to be the cool thing to do at the time. In 1999, President Kuchma made Unity Day an official holiday, which is cool because now I have another reason to go out and celebrate with my friends. Here's a photo of Sophia Square in 1911 where they signed Act Zluky, and here's my photo in 2022. До побачення!